Okay, so this is the video for number 3. Again, I'm going to start by taking the derivative with respect to x on both sides. So I have 1, 2, 3 terms. So the derivative of 3x squared would just be 6x, and since I powered down with x's, I don't need to add that dy over dx. Derivative of 2 is 0 since it's a constant. Now, when I take the derivative of cosecant of 5y squared, remember this is the chain rule. If you want an easier example, remember if it was sine of 5x, y prime would be cosine of 5x times 5. I got that extra 5 by the derivative of 5x. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is take the derivative of my outside function. Cosecant goes to negative cosecant. Remember, I'm going to leave 5y the same. Cotangent of 5y squared. Now, with the outside functions, I did not physically power down with y since I just took the derivative of my trig function. So I do not need dy over dx just yet. Now, I have to multiply by the derivative of my inside, which is 10y. See, right at this step, I actually powered down with y, so that's why I must add dy over dx to both sides. So on the right-hand side, everything is being multiplied. So this is one big term. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this 10y up in front. Now, if you notice, I have dy over dx, one term with it, and it's on the right-hand side. We always need to move dy over dx to the left-hand side. So since it is negative on the right, it becomes positive on the left. And remember, it's going to be positive 10y. Positive 10y, I have cosecant of 5y squared, cotangent of 5y squared dy over dx. All I did was I'm moving the right-hand side to the left-hand side, and it becomes positive, and that 10y came from there. And since 6x was on the left, it becomes negative on the right. Now, I don't need to factor out dy over dx because there's only one term. We factored out if there's multiple terms. So just to get dy over dx, since everything's multiplied, we're just going to divide by 10y cosecant of 5y squared, cotangent of 5y squared. 10y cosecant of 5y squared, cotangent of 5y squared. All right, so let's see if we can simplify. First off, we never check to see if that 5y, like this 5y squared and this negative 6x can simplify, because cosecant of 5y squared and cotangent of 5y squared, they come together and you can never simplify with it. But what we can do is we can simplify. Notice I have negative 6 over 10, so both of these are divisible by 2. And so since final answers must be simplified, I have to do that. So this becomes negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3x all over. Now it becomes 5y. And again, the cosecant 5y squared, cotangent of 5y squared remains the same. And that is my derivative.